guys, this is the NexStand K2 model. This is what we receive it today, and the product brand is NexStand and the model is K2. So you can see the whole specification over here, and it's a branded product, and you can see it's all sealed. You can have a QR code over here, and you can visit the website to see all the description, and then over here you can see again the website, and you can see the whole pack is sealed with the plastic, and it's completely sealed. So let's open this today, and we'll see how the product is and how we can use this. We just open the packing, the plastic packing, and let's see what we have it inside. Let's try to open from both sides. Yes, okay, it's nice, it's a good packing. You can see the cloth pouch on this, and it's a very good pouch and easy to carry. You can see it's very good condition pouch. And let's open this one. So we will open this from here, and here we go. This is what we found it. This is what we got. So this is the product. Over here we have two extra pieces, this one and this one. Later I will tell you what is the function for this product. So let me keep this outside for now, and let's put this over here. This is our pouch, and this is the product. Oh, oops, we cannot open this like this. So there is a way to open the product. As I know this product, so I know how to open this. So this one we need to move from here, and this one also from here, and together we have to push this and open this together. Okay, this will push down this way, and this will we have to open like this. Okay, once you will open like this, so you can see this, it can come over here, it can stuck over here, but there are some locks over here. Over here there are locks. So if you need to move it more down, it should be more down. So from the both side, from one this side and one this side, you need to push this towards yourself, and then you need to push it down. Okay, then you can adjust this as per your requirement. Now let's put the laptop on this. So just wait over here, let me just get my laptop. Okay, so this is how we'll put the laptop over here. There are the locks. So if we'll put laptop over here, and it will automatically, you can see over here, it will automatically adjust this position, and you see this will come out, and from the back side now it's on the correct position. Okay, so now our laptop is in this position, which is very good for me. But if you need to move more up, then again you can come to this point, and then you can, from both sides, from this side and the other side also, you can just press this and move it up. Okay, you can just move it up, and then you can adjust here. So this is these like you have 3-4 positions over here. So whatever you are comfortable, you can adjust your position over there. So then for me, this one is more comfortable. This position is more comfortable. So let's see how can we work on this. Yeah, this is very good for me. This is very nice. And now the two pieces. This is the function of these pieces. Let's see. Let me show you. If you have, for my laptop, this is fine. I don't need these. But there are some tablet, maybe it won't fit in this position. Then you can see this lock over here. So you can put this like this. If you can see from here, it can go inside, like this. Okay, it can go inside, and it will be, you see, there are more flexible function over here. So this is how you can put it over here also. This is how you can put like this in this. Okay, oops, yeah, it's adjusted now. So this will come over here, and then once you will put this your machine over here, and then again you can put it back. You see, for my laptop it was fine. You see, now there's a gap over here because of these pieces. Okay, for my laptop I don't need this. In some machines maybe you need it, so that's why you can put this. So for now I don't need these. I will pull those up. I will take it out because I don't need these. I will take this out also, and without that my laptop is very comfortable with this stand. Okay, and overall I will say this product is very good. This is lightweight, and this is aluminium plus plastic. So major parts are for aluminium, and which is very good, like lightweight and easy to use, easy to carry. It can fit anywhere. And if you need to close this, you can just press this again, and again pull this up from your thumb, and then you can close this. You can put it back. These products, if you need it, keep it here. If you don't need it, you can keep it somewhere else for later use. But let me just put this back again. It's very compact and easy to use. You can carry anywhere, like in your ladies can carry in their bags, like men's can carry in their laptop bags. It is very compact, very easy to carry, and very lightweight. You can say like it's like 200 gram or 250 gram maximum. So this is the weight of this stand. So overall this product is very good. I like it. For more informative videos, like and subscribe our channel.